Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to look at how to add and subtract negative numbers. Have you ever found it difficult using the number line method? I'll show you a different way. Consider the following. -2 plus 4. Think of the signs as money. The negative sign is how much money owed. The positive sign is your money. 2 is the negative number meaning I owe £2. 4 is the positive number meaning I have £4. Are you owing or have money left over? What do you think? Here's another example. -2 plus 2. 2 is the negative number meaning I owe £2. 2 is the positive number meaning I have £2. Remember, the negative sign is the money owed and the positive sign is your money. Are you owing or have money left over? What do you think? And another. 2 minus 4. Can you tell which number is negative or positive? Have a look at the signs before the numbers. 2 is the positive number and 4 is the negative one. I have £2 but owe £4. Are you owing or have money left over? What do you think? Finally, -2 minus 4. Here, 2 is the negative number. So is 4. I owe £2 and owe another £4. Are you owing or have money left over? What do you think? Pause the video to work on the examples provided. Here are the answers. Did you get them right? What do you think of this method? Share your thoughts or questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Learning maths the easy way. See you in the next video.